First, let's grab our tool belt. We're bringing in RandomForestRegressor. Think of it as a smart coach that looks at many different possibilities before giving an answer, and an NumPy to help us crunch all those numbers efficiently. Think of this class as the headquarters for our AI. It's a dedicated space where the brain, our models, and the memory, the user's history, live together so they can work as a team. When our coach is born, we give it a fresh notebook called History and 2 specialized AI helpers. One focuses on food, calories, and the other on progress, weight. That a random_state? It just ensures you get the same consistent results every time you test your code. Before the AI can give advice, it needs to study. We're giving it a small cheat sheet of data, age, height, weight, and activity. It's like showing a student a few practice problems before the big exam. Every practice problem needs a correct answer. These numbers are the target results, maintenance calories and weights that the AI will use to learn the patterns in our data. Time to hit the gym. The .fit command is where the AI actually learns. We're telling it to find the connection between user stats and the results. Once it's done, we print a friendly message letting us know the coach is open for business. Let's make this interactive. This function is like the intake form at a gym. It asks the user for their stats and makes sure the numbers are in the right format so our AI can understand them. We need a quick health check. This is the classic BMI formula. By keeping it as its own function, we can reuse it anywhere else in the code without writing the math twice. Neat and tidy. This is the heart of the app. We gather the user's data, ask our trained AI for its best guess on calories, calculate the BMI, and save the current weight to this memory. It's all about giving instant, helpful feedback. Now, let's talk to the user. We're not just showing raw numbers, we're giving actionable advice. Depending on that BMI, the coach tells them whether they should aim for fat loss, muscle gain, or just stay the course. Calories are just the beginning. We pass that calorie count over to our next helper to break it down into the big 3, proteins, carbs, and fats. Let's look into the future. This function asks our second AI model to predict where the user's weight will be in a month. But a coach can't predict the future without a past, so it checks the history first. Progress isn't always a straight line. If the scale stays exactly the same for 3 checks, it's a plateau. This function keeps an eye on the last 3 weights and gives the user a nudge if they need to change their routine. Time for meal prep logic. We're taking that calorie goal and splitting it up 30% protein, 40% carbs, and 30% fat. This gives the user clear, daily targets to aim for instead of just a big scary number. Even an AI needs a bit of personality. This is a simple interaction to make the coach feel more like a human partner. It's just there to offer a quick bit of encouragement. This is our control panel. We use a while true loop so the app stays running as long as the user wants to check their stats. It's the glue that holds all our features together. The grand finale. This single line creates an instance of our coach and opens up the menu. Run this, and your AI fitness journey officially begins.